Here's a 2007 Toyota Camry. Bold, reliable, efficient. If these are adjectives you'd use to describe yourself, then this Camry is the perfect fit for you. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Voice activation, wireless phone connectivity, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, power windows, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Consumer Guide proclaims the latest edition of America's best-selling car has more of everything, which has to be scary for the competition. This Camry has a better interior, less bland styling, and superior powertrains than before. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.